All right, we're still on lesson 5, solving multi-step equations, but now we are on part 2. We're gonna go ahead and do the examples on this page. Let's see, number 7. Now, the difference between these problems is we're gonna have to work on simplifying both sides of our equation first before we can go ahead and solve it. So we wanna work on combining like terms. Remember, we're only combining like terms on one side of our equation and on one side of our equation. So let's take a look at the left side, just the left side. I have 7x minus 9 minus 11. Ooh, I can't really combine my x's, but I can combine my constants. Negative 9 and negative 11 is negative 20. Now let's take a look at the right side. I have 3x and 4 and 2x. I can combine my x's. 3x and 2x is 5x plus 4. Now, both sides of my equations are as simplified as they're going to get. Now I want to move my x's, my variables, to one side of my equal sign. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get them on this side of my equal sign because that means they're going to be positive, and I think that's easier to work with. So how do I get rid of 5x on this side? I subtract it. 5x minus 5x, nada. Okay, now we have 2x minus 5x is 2x minus 20 equals 4. I have this 2x minus 20. I don't want minus 20. I just want 2x. So how do I get rid of a negative 20? I add 20. 2x equals 24. Now I'm going to divide by 2, and I get x equals 12. And as always, we can check and put x back into our equation to see if we did things correctly. Let's go ahead and use the distributive property now. Number 3, I have the distributive property here. Ooh, I can't solve this without distributing. So I'm going to distribute my 3, and I'm going to get 3x minus 3 times negative 5 is negative 15 equals x plus 11. Now my left side is simplified, my right side is simplified. Now I want to move my variables to one side. I'm going to move it over here so I get a positive variable. I'm going to subtract x. I get 2x minus 15 equals 11. I'm going to add 15. I get 2x equals 26. I'm going to divide by 2, and I get x equals 13. And again, we can go ahead and plug x back into our equation to see if we got it right. Number 4, I'm going to do this slightly differently. I'll do it actually 2 ways. The first way, I'll do it distributing. So let's distribute our 5, and we get 5x minus 15 equals 25. I don't have to move my variables to one side, so I'm just going to go ahead and add 15. 5x equals 30, 40. X equals 8. Okay, that was nice and easy. Now method number 2, I'm just going to rewrite this over here. I notice that I have 5 times a value equals 25. Oh, well, if I just went ahead and divided by 5 right away, 5 divided by 5 is 1, then I would have 1 times this value. So really I have x minus 3 equals 5. Add 3, and I get 8. Oh, so sometimes if you can notice that this will actually divide nicely, you can skip a step and it's a little simpler. I would like you guys to work on Math Maze Level 2.